Hi, welcome to Finan Tax Clips. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey exploring the tax benefits of retiring in the Sunshine State, Florida in the year 2024. From its inviting beaches to its favorable tax climate, Florida is indeed a retiree's dream come true. We'll be covering everything from income tax perks to sales tax benefits and much more. So, sit back, relax, and let's set sail on this fascinating voyage. Stay tuned as we dive into the wonderful world of tax benefits. To begin, we must understand the basics of taxation. Now, taxation, as dry as it may sound, is a topic that's woven into the very fabric of our financial lives, and it becomes even more pertinent when we're talking about retirement. So, let's take a moment to break it down. First off, we have income tax. This is a portion of your earnings that you hand over to the government. It could be from your job, from your business, or even from your investments. For retirees, this usually means any income from pensions, annuities, or retirement accounts. Next, we have sales tax. This is the extra amount you pay when you purchase goods or services. It's calculated as a percentage of the purchase price. So, when you're buying that new golf club or splurging on a fancy dinner, remember, a slice of what you're paying is actually sales tax. And finally, there's property tax. Now, this is a tax you pay based on the value of property you own. It could be your home, a vacation house, or even a plot of land. This tax can be a significant expense, especially for retirees who own their homes. Each of these taxes can have a substantial impact on your financial health during retirement, and that's why it's so important to understand them. They can influence where you choose to retire, how much you can afford to spend, and even how long your retirement savings will last. But here's the good news. Not all places are created equal when it comes to taxation, and that's where Florida comes into the picture. Known for its sun-soaked beaches and vibrant lifestyle, Florida also offers some attractive tax benefits that can make your retirement a lot more comfortable. Now that we have a basic understanding of taxes, we can delve into the specific benefits Florida offers to retirees. So buckle up as we explore the sunny side of retirement financing in the Sunshine State. Florida is one of the few states that does not impose an income tax. Now, let's delve into the implications of this statement. In the grand scheme of things, it is a major benefit, particularly for retirees. You see, in most states, a portion of your hard-earned income goes directly to the state government. This could be a flat rate or a percentage of your income, depending on where you live. But in Florida, that's not the case. There, your income remains untouched by the state. This means that every single penny you earn stays in your pocket, not the state's. Now consider the impact of this over time, especially for retirees. This benefit significantly increases your disposable income. In simple terms, disposable income is the money you have left over after all your taxes have been paid. It's the money you use to cover your living expenses, to indulge in your hobbies, or to save for a rainy day. Without state income tax, your disposable income automatically increases. For retirees, this could mean the difference between just getting by and living comfortably. It could mean the difference between having to count every penny and having the freedom to enjoy your golden years without financial worry. And it's not just about the money. This increase in disposable income also means an increase in your financial security. It means having a cushion for unexpected expenses, being able to afford quality healthcare, or having the means to travel and visit your loved ones. It's about having the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Moreover, not having to pay state income tax can also make your retirement income stretch further. Whether it's social security benefits, a pension, or income from investments, you get to keep more of what you've worked so hard to earn. So let's pause and ponder for a moment. Imagine what you could do with all that extra money in your pocket. Imagine the opportunities and the freedom it could bring. That's the power of no state income tax, and that's why Florida is such an attractive destination for retirees. For homeowners, Florida offers some attractive property tax exemptions. Now let's talk about property tax exemptions. These are a big deal, especially for retirees looking to stretch their budgets further. In Florida, one of the most significant perks is the homestead exemption. This is a benefit that can lower the taxable value of your primary residence by up to $50,000. Yes, you heard that right. $50,000, that's not a small change, and it can certainly make a noticeable difference in your property tax bill. But wait, there's more. If you're 65 or older and meet certain income requirements, you may qualify for an additional homestead exemption. This could provide you with an extra $50,000 exemption on your home's assessed value. And if you've lived in your home for more than 25 years and it's worth less than $250,000, you might be eligible for the Senior Long-Term Resident Exemption. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what if my home's value increases? Well, Florida has thought of that too. The Save Our Homes assessment limitation caps the annual increase in the assessed value of homestead property at 3% or the rate of inflation, whichever is lower. This means that even if your home's market value skyrockets, your assessed value, which is what your property tax is based on, will only increase marginally. And here's another boon for veterans and their surviving spouses. Florida offers a discount on property taxes to veterans age 65 or older who are partially or totally permanently disabled as a result of their military service. The discount is in proportion to the veteran's permanent service-connected disability. So, as you can see, Florida goes above and beyond to make homeownership more affordable, especially for retirees. These property tax exemptions can significantly lower your cost of living and allow you to maximize your retirement income. Owning a home in Florida can be more affordable than you think. When it comes to passing on your wealth, Florida's tax laws are also in your favor. Now, let's talk about one of the most significant benefits of the Sunshine State, the absence of estate or inheritance tax. This is a feature that is particularly appealing to retirees planning their estate. In many states, when a person passes away, their estate or the person inheriting it may be subject to taxes. These are known as estate and inheritance taxes, respectively. The estate tax is levied on the entire estate before it is distributed to the heirs. The inheritance tax, on the other hand, is paid by the individual heirs on the portions they receive. However, in Florida, neither of these taxes apply. You heard that right. Florida does not impose an estate or inheritance tax. This means that when you pass away, your hard-earned wealth can be transferred to your loved ones without the state taking a slice. This is a significant advantage. It means that you can plan your estate with the peace of mind that your heirs will receive the full benefit of your lifelong earnings and savings. In comparison, in states where these taxes are enforced, the total value of an estate may be significantly reduced before it even reaches the hands of the heirs. This benefit can have a substantial impact on the financial future of your loved ones. It can make a difference in their ability to pay off debts, invest for their future, or even just maintain the lifestyle they are accustomed to. Remember, estate planning is not just about organizing your assets, it's about ensuring your loved ones are taken care of when you are no longer around. And Florida's lack of estate and inheritance tax provides a significant advantage in this aspect. So if you're considering where to spend your golden years, you might want to give some serious thought to Florida. Not only does it offer a warm climate and beautiful beaches, but it also provides financial benefits that can extend beyond your lifetime. Your heirs will thank you for choosing to retire in Florida. While Florida does have a sales tax, there are some exemptions that retirees can benefit from. Now let's talk about sales tax. You might be thinking, hang on, sales tax, that's not a benefit, but bear with me here. While Florida does indeed impose a sales tax, currently at 6%, it's not as straightforward as you might think. There are, in fact, certain exemptions that can be particularly beneficial for retirees. Let's dive a little deeper into this. One of the key exemptions in Florida's sales tax is on prescription drugs. Yes, you heard right. Prescription drugs are exempt from sales tax in Florida. This can result in significant savings, especially for retirees who may have regular medication needs. Similarly, certain medical devices and aids are also exempt. This includes items such as hearing aids, artificial limbs, walkers, or wheelchairs. These items can often come with a hefty price tag, and the last thing you want is a sales tax adding to that burden. But in Florida, these are exempt, offering a potential financial relief for those who need these devices. It's also worth noting that Florida does not tax groceries, which is another area where retirees can save. While this benefit isn't exclusive to retirees, it's a cost-saving measure that impacts everyone's daily life, including retirees. Now, it's important to remember that while these exemptions can provide benefits, they do not eliminate the overall sales tax, but they can help to lighten the load a little. And let's be honest, who doesn't appreciate a little financial ease? Especially in retirement, when the focus should be on enjoying life, not worrying about the next tax bill. So, while Florida's sales tax might initially seem like a drawback, when you look a little closer, there are indeed exemptions that can provide real financial benefits, particularly for retirees. As the saying goes, every penny saved is a penny earned. And in retirement, those pennies can quickly add up to create a more comfortable and worry-free life. So let's appreciate these little benefits that Florida offers. And remember, every bit helps when it comes to smart financial planning. Every penny saved is a penny earned. Let's recap the tax benefits of retiring in Florida. Over the course of our discussion, we've explored some of the numerous advantages that the Sunshine State offers to retirees, particularly in terms of tax savings. Firstly, we delved into the income tax benefits. Florida is one of the few states in America that doesn't impose an income tax. This means that your pension, Social Security benefits, and any other retirement income you might have is entirely tax-free. Now, that's a significant relief on your wallet. Next, we discussed property tax exemptions. Owning a home in Florida can bring you considerable savings, as the state offers a homestead exemption of up to $50,000 for residents. This can significantly reduce your property tax burden, leaving more money in your pocket for leisure and enjoyment. We also looked at the absence of estate or inheritance tax in Florida. When you pass on your wealth to your loved ones, Florida ensures that your hard-earned assets are not eaten away by hefty taxes. This way you can leave a more substantial legacy for your heirs. Then we touched on sales tax benefits. Even though Florida does have a sales tax, it's relatively low at just 6%. Plus, certain essential items like groceries and medicines are exempted, helping you save on everyday expenses. All these tax benefits combine to create a financially friendly environment for retirees. The money you save can be used for travel, hobbies, grandkids, or whatever brings joy to your golden years. So, if you're looking for a retirement destination that helps you make the most of your savings, Florida should be high on your list. With its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and of course the appealing tax benefits, it's no wonder that Florida is a popular choice among retirees. So there you have it. Retiring in Florida can offer significant tax savings, making your golden years even more enjoyable. This concludes our deep dive into the tax benefits of retiring in Florida. We hope you found our journey enlightening and useful. As you mull over your retirement plans, keep in mind the financial advantages this sunny state has to offer. For more pearls of wisdom and financial insights, remember to subscribe to Finantax Clips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, save wisely and spend happily.